Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So I've got for you today the Maono Portable USB microphone, as you can see here. So it's, as it says, a portable microphone, so only a little mini one, but it's nice that it comes with a tripod bundled in as well. And so just some things on the box here. So it's a 40mm large mic capsule, it says. High-speed USB plug and play. I believe it's compatible with Android and Mac. Windows and Mac. Some more specs here. So it's a cardioid microphone. It says polar pattern, professional sound chipset, high resolution sampling rate, and as it says there, yeah, compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Some more specs here, guys. So it's a DIA 40mm condenser mic, polar pattern, cardioid, frequency response 20 kilohertz to 20k kilohertz. 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Sensitivity 13.5 decibels. You don't want to know all that, guys, but anyway. And then USB cable, USB A to B. And then you've got some specs for the frequency response and the polar pattern. So I'm no expert on microphones, I'm just getting into the game. I do have this big boy, which a lot of YouTubers have. So I'm going to be testing it against that. And obviously, I'll play back the sound files and you can judge how good this fares next to a Blue Yeti that's £100 microphone. This guy is $27.99 or under £30, about $35 in the US. Says it's got state-of-the-art surface mount electronics, built-in high-resolution sampling rate sound chipset. Setup is so easy, just connect it and go. Fair enough. So, without further ado, let's get this open. It's nice, black and yellow packaging. It's not boring plain black box or plain white box. Okay, get that out of the way. User manual, always nice. You don't always get that. So, English, Chinese, Dutch, and some other language, Japanese maybe. So yeah, tells you you've got your mic gain control knob. Obviously that's a USB microphone. Tells you how to put it all together. Don't think it, these guys, you don't really need them, guys, but obviously people will refer to them. It tells you need to plug it into a USB port. Again, you'd imagine people know what they're doing. It tells you to have the mic in that orientation with the gain knob and the branding facing you rather than the back of the mic. And then here's some settings on a computer, so we can have a look at that in a bit. So let's have a look at the mic itself. So here it is. So yeah, very light, compared to the big boy, as I say. So obviously this is about a third of the cost of that. So, you get what you pay for, but feels like a well-built little thing. And this is plastic, whereas that's, metal, obviously. It's a bit like comparing, BMWs to, I don't know, like a Lada or that's maybe a bit naughty, but, like a cheap car. So there's your gain knob. Well, gain knob's nice, responsive, doesn't feel cheap. Yeah, feels well built. What else we got here, guys? So this is your tripod. Okay. And like a mounting bracket. So let's put this all together. Okay, so I wonder, just want to see if my Blue Yeti goes in this mount, actually. Maybe not. Okay, we'll stop messing about. So that goes on here, that way, I think. There we go. You have to really screw that on there, guys, but it's going there now. Nice and tight. Okay, and then presume we angle this down. Here's your tripod. That goes in there. USB input is there. Yeah, so it's like a printer one. If you can see that there. So just got to line that up. There we go. Okay, so yeah, nice little, petite package there for on your desk for doing podcasts, or even if you were on video calls, if you wanted to improve your audio. I would imagine this is going to be miles better than my laptop onboard mic. So I'll do some tests, guys, and I'll do a cutscene to show you the quality of the Maono versus my Blue Yeti, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm running a Windows 10 laptop, guys, and boom, straight away, it is plug and play, no issues at all. So let's get these tests done. This is a test of my laptop's internal mic, so just to show you the quality difference between internal mic and the two externals, and obviously the laptop's going to be worse, the onboard one, than the external. So yeah, just a bit of a baseline reference for you there. Okay, so this is a microphone test of the Blue Yeti mic. So I'm holding it by hand and about the same distance as the Maono external mic. So testing 1 2 3. This is a mic test of the Blue Yeti. What's the quality like compared to the Maono external mic? Hopefully you can tell the difference, guys. And let's see if we can change. I don't think you can change the gain. We'll have a go. It's on 100 now. That's 50, 25, 50, 100. I don't know if that'll make a difference. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let's see if we can compare the quality of each sound file, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys, so this is a mic test of the Maono portable mic. So testing 1 2 3. This is the gain on full. I'm going to put the gain down to low, and then we'll go right through. So this is on about 25%. This is a gain on 50%. Back to 100%. So yeah, so again, testing 1 2 3. Let's compare this to the Blue Yeti, and we'll see if it's on par or getting anywhere near for the price. Okay, guys, so I've done a little bit of a quick test myself. The Blue Yeti is obviously, a more professional mic. It's going to be better sound quality, but the Maono, it's definitely a step up from the laptop audio. So hopefully, I'm going to play these sound files back to you, and it'll give you an idea of the quality of the mic. But yeah, obviously this is an expensive mic. This is a cheap one. So, you be the judge, but seems like a really good product for the money. I'll put some links into the description for this one, guys. Just a disclaimer, it was sent me to me for free from Maono, but all my opinions, as always, I'm always honest. If something's trash, I'll say it's trash. If something's good, I'll say it's good. And, as a creator, I think it's great. You get the little tripod. That's, real nice little kit. And plug and play, really easy. Most people have got a laptop or a Mac who, are doing video calls, or if you make, content. So yeah, really nice little mic. And hit me up in the comments, as always, guys. Let me know what you think about this one. If you want me to do any further tests, this is my microphone. But yeah, let me know, guys. As I say, ask me any questions. Tell me, what you think about this one anyway. Take care. Take an Eric out. See you on the next one.